So hello people. Yeah, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Nisi. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you of the protein treatment that I did in my hair. It's a package that I picked up from Walmart, which is this. It's I picked up a sample pack because I did just want to test it out to see how it did leave my hair, how it's gonna make my hair feel. And it's really it's good for damaged hair and restore, and my hair is kind of dry, so I'm like, let's try to give it some treatment. But basically this thing, I do recommend it because it's pretty. It make your hair really soft. I'm not gonna lie. Oh god, my hair was soft when I finished it. It's been a week now since I did it, and as you guys could see, I mean, I do have some dry stuff here. I don't know what to do. I'm really doing I'm doing the aloe vera treatment for the dandruff. I think you got to do that consistently, because if you don't, it's like it's not working. But yeah, so this is my hair basically. So we're gonna go jump into the video. So 3 weeks now when I wash my hair, so it's kind of dirty right now. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is put in my aloe vera juice, and this gonna be helping me with the dandruff. You know, it's good to hydrate your hair and get moisture. Guys, I know my face looking a mess, but on this day I was hell of a tired, and I didn't want to just film the process of me doing my hair. Yeah.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things I said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the time.
Now it's time to put on my plastic bag. Yeah, plastic bag, because my hair cannot fit in a shower cap. And I let this sit on my hair for 30 minutes. I also use the treatment in CC here as a moisturizing treatment, so it's like a cold treatment. Then I go in with her Aveeno shampoo and shampoo her hair, and I only leave this in her hair for 10 minutes because I don't want to leave it too long so she would catch a cold.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to.
So that's how our hair look after keeping the aloe vera in for 10 minutes. It have a little white flakes, but it will come out. And I'm going in with some coconut oil mixed with Jamaican black castor oil to help with hair growth and moisturize her hair. So now I'm gonna be doing my protein treatment in my hair, and I picked up this package at Walmart. It was just a sample package. It was only $1. $1. Out, and it have eggs in there, M's. I don't even know how much, but yeah. And I put it in the funnel. I don't know why I did this. You're gonna see. You're gonna see what happened. It's the dumbest thing ever. Look at. Look, I'm trying to push you in the thing now. Watch it. This is a waste of time, so please guys don't do this. And all I do is just put mix it with olive oil And I just put it on my hair, put it all over the tips. I mean, that's where the driest part is. And then I put it on my scalp and I just rub it up, and then I put on my shower cap, and then I sit for another 30 minutes, and all I did was rinse it out. I didn't shampoo it at all.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door.
So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will be sure to see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, bye and have a blessed day.